Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change BMW X1 wiper blades. First, gather your new wiper blades, a soft cloth, and a protective mat to place on your windshield. It is crucial to ensure your vehicle's ignition is completely off before you begin. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into its service position. This simple preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process for both sides of your vehicle. Now let's remove the old blades. Look closely at the point where the wiper blade connects to the arm. You will find a small tab or button. Press this firmly. While holding the tab, slide the old blade downwards or outwards, away from the arm. Be careful not to let the metal wiper arm snap back onto the windshield, as this could cause damage. Gently detach the old blade and set it aside. With the old blade removed, it is time to install the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade upwards or inwards along the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it is securely locked in place. Double-check that the blade is firmly attached. Finally, gently lower the entire wiper arm back onto the windshield, ensuring it rests properly. After installation, perform a quick test. Turn on your vehicle and activate the windshield wipers with some washer fluid. Observe how the new blades clear the water. They should sweep smoothly and quietly, leaving a clear view. For optimal performance and longevity, remember to regularly clean your wiper blades with a soft cloth and mild soap. This simple maintenance can extend their life by several months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.